Hello English learners! Welcome to our new video. My name is Teacher Alice and today we are going to see what's the difference between phrases when I want to do something and I want to have something done. So let's start. I need to wash my car or I need to have my car washed. What's the difference? When I say I need to wash my car, that means I'm going to do it myself. When I say that I need to have my car washed, that means that I'm going to the station where somebody else will wash a car for me. I want to paint my room or I want to have my room painted. What's the difference? When I say I want to paint my room, I mean that I actually want to do it myself. When I say I want to have my room painted, that means that I would ask somebody else to do it for me because I don't think I'm a good painter. So, is there any difference when I say I want to cut my hair or I want to have my hair cut? Yes, there is difference. When I say I want to cut my hair, that means that I literally want to grab scissors and cut my hair myself. When I say I want to have my hair cut, that means that I'm thinking to go to a hairdresser and I want someone professional, another person, to cut my hair. I want to do my nails or I want to have my nails done. When I say I want to do my nails, that actually I mean that I will file and I will paint my nails myself. When I say I want to have my nails done, that means I'm going to a place where I would ask a person, a professional, to paint and file my nails.